3 of AmaWaterways 7-night Danube River cruises take you to 3 or 4 countries such as Germany, Austria, Slovakia and Hungary. But if you join us on our included Český Krumlov excursion, you can add a 5th one to your journey, Czechia, otherwise known as the Czech Republic. One of our guests' favorite destinations, Český Krumlov, is located along the banks of the Vltava River and can be visited when your ship is docked in Linz. The highlight of this charming Czech mountain town is its 13th century Krumlov Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site encompassing 40 well-preserved buildings and palaces. Easily, the most fascinating thing about the castle is its moat, inside which actual bears have been living since the early 18th century. During your free time in Český Krumlov, you can walk across the 5-tiered cloak bridge which connects the main courtyards of the castle, or stroll along the cobblestone to the old market square, visiting the town's many art galleries, museums, churches, cafés, wine bars and breweries. If you have cruised the Danube with us before, but you miss seeing this amazing town, we encourage you to come back and join us for a full-day excursion in Český Krumlov with AmaWaterways.